is one of Tahiti's most prestigious composers. He has composed songs for the group Manahau, winning several awards for his music. More recently, he wrote songs for the city of Fa'a'a and the troupe Tefana'i Ahurai, used in Hawaii, Tahiti, 2015. Desiree Woodward Lee graduated from Te Whare Uparau Conservatoire Artistique de Polonaise Française in 2014 and was encouraged to start her own pupu'ori upon arriving home. Papa Gerard Tepehu, a longtime mentor to Desiree and her husband, gave his blessing and the name O Hina'aro Nui for them to begin their journey and to lead a troupe endorsed by Tahiti. The woman and the man, Desiree, and her husband, Christopher, work together symbolically. This labor is their many trips to Tahiti to learn the Hiroa Tumu. When our text talks about casting the net, this is the bold interest of many here in the U.S. to learn from Desiree and her mana'o from the Conservatoire. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together. From Brisbane, California, under the direction of Desiree and Christopher, O Hina'aro Nui.
Vaine etane Waite maunu atua iarawa ewa ata Wanoa amai te maru O te mautu puna i te tane e te wahine O Hina'aro nui aue O Hina'aro nui
How about another great big round of applause for Hina'aro Nui? All the way from Brisbane, California. All right, beautiful, beautiful. Thank you so much. They will be performing a little bit later on as well too. All righty-o. Coming up, we're gonna let our sound crew change the stage around. Coming up will be Kawaile Hua, all the way from Milpitas, California. Alrighty-o. While our judges are tallying up and they're going to change the stage around, we'd like to say once again, welcome to each